Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a quick, easy pendant light that's going to be hanging over this coffee station. So this is just a simple pendant light. This was on sale for I think about $54. Before working on any switch, disconnect all power so that it's safe for you to install your light without getting electrocuted. Next thing, I'm going to remove everything from the box to make sure that all the pieces are needed or required for this installation. Next, I'm going to remove the bracket that is located inside of the light fixture at the very top. And how I do that is I just loosen the two screws and it pops right out. This piece is going to be fastened to the box itself, but before I can do that, I'm going to ground it. So the wire that's connected on that piece with the green screw, I literally just make a little loop, and once I have a loop of that copper wire, I'll remove the green screw inside of the box itself, wrap it around it, and tighten it nice and tight. Now to mount this itself to the box, I'm going to remove the two screws on each side of the box itself. Now I'll align that piece right where the holes are located, and I'll just hand tighten them one by one until they're aligned. Now I need to adjust this cord because right now it's very long and the homeowner does not want it that long. So there's a screw that's prohibiting me from pulling it loose. So once I loosen that, I'll have a lot of play where I can pull it, adjust it, and see exactly how and where we want it. Now on the bottom where the light screws in, there's a little thing that can screw off. It's basically like a little plastic knob. So once you unscrew that, I can connect that to the light itself, and that piece that I took off, I can put my hand inside the bowl, tighten it back on. That way it will stay to the hanging light fixture itself. Now it's just a little bit of adjusting. This plastic clip, once you get your height, pull that tight. That way you're locking yourself in at that height and it won't go loose. I decided to cut the cord because of the excess that's not needed and strip the wires black and white. Once I have my black wire and my white wire, I'm going to remove the merit. I'm going to put my two wires together and I'm going to tighten them. Just keep turning and turning and it's going to get tight by itself. Now, when you're tightening these wires, make sure that there's no copper wire exposed after you tighten these as tight as they'll go. You don't want any copper being exposed. Once that's complete, I'm gonna push the wires up into the housing of the box And the plate of the light itself, those 2 screws that I loosened earlier, I'm gonna put the groove right back where I removed them from, and they're literally just gonna slide back up. Then I can take my drill or my handheld screwdriver and tighten them. I'm gonna put my bulb in, and it's easy as that. Now, if you're installing a fan, you will need a mounting bracket. I would leave that up to an electrician, but for an easy light like this, I would say you're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe.